Right, this is my review. If you're thinking of getting this brown leather sofa bed, then this is my honest opinion and review of it. So I've had this now for about a year and it's super comfortable. There's a few things I like about this. Okay. The first one is that as far as sofas go, it's super comfortable. It's this soft, leathery kind of cushion. Now, I'm really picky when it comes to sofas and how comfortable they are, and this one is actually genuinely comfortable. And that's not something I can say for a lot of sofas, especially sofa beds. I find that sofa beds, because they have to have this mechanism that folds down, most of them don't really have like a comfortable material for the cushions themselves. But this one does. So that's a good thing. Second thing is the color and the design. It's super minimalist, super nice, and it goes kind of with everything. You know, there's no crazy colors or patterns. It's just a nice designed sofa, a nice colored sofa. And the third thing is something which I'll show you now, is that when you kind of, it has this little click and then you release it back down. And oh, I actually have things behind this, so I can't show you it going down right now, but it's actually, as a bed, really comfortable. And that's not something that you can say for a lot of sofa beds, for them to both be comfortable as sofas and beds. But this one is actually comfortable as both. And as you saw, it's really easy to move it back. You just pull it forward towards you, it clicks, and then you release it. And like I said, there's stuff behind this one. I kind of use it as storage behind the back there. But yeah, then it will just fold down flat. Super comfortable, super easy to put together. So yeah, if you're looking for a comfortable, high quality sofa bed that you would actually use and that you won't have to just send back or, it gathers dust, then I highly recommend this leather sofa bed.